If you're in a love triangle, then I have to break some sad news to you. There has never in the history of the universe been a good outcome to a love triangle. Look to any person you know or any story ever written. I have never seen a positive conclusion to them. And rarely, if let's just say two people are in partnership and one person is the odd one out, rarely does it work out for the odd one out who's in between the two in the partnership. However, since you find yourself in this situation, let me advise you. This may feel like we're ripping the Band-Aid off, and yet this is the lovingest, most kindest way that I can speak to you about this. Your first job is to realize that this is a no exit strategy, a no-win situation for you. The sooner you get out of it, the sooner your life will be better, and the sooner you can actually be paired up and partnered up with someone who you actually have a great relationship with and there is not this type of struggle with. At a very deep level, there's a part of you that thinks that this person of your affection has something that no one else in the world has, and that you and this person have a bond unlike any other. That may be partly true. Let's say it's like 40% true. The other part of this is internally you have a concern or a question about if you are worth full, true, dedicated, committed love. And the answer is you are worth it, but right now you're settling for less. And this is why you need to exit this situation. The good news is you putting yourself in this situation shows that you know that you can find someone who is a great match for you. What I want you to do is reflect on all of the positive characteristics from this love triangle, either the attraction you have with the one person or the things that that person is attracted to in the other person. Notice and make a list of all of the positive qualities. And I want you to also make a list, maybe this is a side list, of all of the things that are frustrating you in this relationship. Because the things that you're getting that you don't want right now are very telling about what you do want. This moment in your life is a choice point. You can choose to believe that you are available for and worthy of not only all of the qualities you have with the one person that you have the attraction with, but that it can be even better than that. So the things that are annoying you about this love triangle, write down the opposite of those. If it's annoying you that you're not committed, well, the opposite of that is committed. If it's annoying you that they're not giving you their full attention or their time is divided or those things, okay, that shows you full attention matters to you, undivided time, monogamy, these types of things. There's information for you within this relationship that's showing what matters to you. When you see all the things that you desire, you can start planting the seed within you, the belief that you deserve all of those. The evidence that you found this one person who has, like I gave the number before, 40% of what you want, there's someone out there who has 80% of what you want. The fact that you could find 40, that's the universe's way of saying, look, all this is available for you. And if you're willing to believe it and ask for it, even more is available to you. The strength in walking away from this love triangle is an affirmation that you are worth more. You're not worth someone dividing their time between you and the other person. You're worth the full partnership. You're worth more than being in a love triangle. I know this and I deeply believe this for you. If you'd like me to make another video explaining like how to expand your energy or a little bit more about how to take these negative qualities and flip and see the positive side, feel free to let me know. I also give one-to-one readings and I'd be happy to meet with you in that way.